This is Spencer Colgan. The phone number is 813-666-7002. Or you can reach us at www.spencercolgan.com for your wallpaper installation needs, your wallpaper removal needs. Visit us on YouTube at Spencer Colgan YouTube, my wallpaper channel. Thank you for watching. This is a fabric back vinyl installation called Aztec Mica. Very beautiful stuff, difficult to cut. And we did the ceiling up there. Just finished it. You'll see a wet mark in the middle. This was installed last night. The same wet mark that was in the middle here is no longer there. And of course we did the ceiling over here. Visit us on the web, click on like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.